When recovering from an injury or medical condition, there is no better place to do so than the comfort of your own home. Here to tell us what Home Rehab Express can do for you or a loved one is Joanne Ellis and also Dr. Peter Wallemeyer. Good morning.
Good morning.
So great to have you guys back.
Good morning.
Thanks. The topic today, we're talking tendinitis, and as always, I like to kind of open with Home Rehab Express, Joanne, and tell everybody how you guys can help them.
Sure. Home Rehab Express is a Medicare certified home health company, and what we do is send nurses and therapists to patients' homes who are unable to get back to the doctors in a timely manner or continue physical therapy in the comfort of their own home. We're covered by insurance, so it really makes for a win-win for the patient in recovery.
And a lot of times you're dealing with, all kinds of different things. We're talking tendinitis today. What is it, Dr. Wallemeyer?
Specifically, Achilles tendinitis is inflammation of the Achilles tendon, which is caused by overstretch and strain of the tendon. It can be caused by injuries, can be caused by standing for too long, can be caused by having tight calf muscles. So there's lots of reasons why a patient might experience some pain in their Achilles tendon area.
Or just old age, maybe. I know the older I get, I just move a certain way, and it feels like something like that is going on.
Well, these problems tend to be cumulative. So as people use and stand on their feet for longer periods of time, they will develop it. So it is much more common in about the 50 to 60-year-old range.
Okay. So what do you look for if somebody is feeling any kind of discomfort or pain? What do you look for when
with the Achilles, you can have pain right on the back of the heel, or you can actually have pain a little bit further up on the back of the ankle where the tendon is real prominent on the back of the leg. And the tendon can get very thick, can get bulbous and become very painful when it's squeezed. Or you can have pressure right on the back of the heel, maybe where a spur forms.
Okay.
And these cause problems with shoe gear fitting properly, pain with every step you take. And the best treatment options are stretching exercises for the calf muscles, and possibly changing your shoe gear.
Okay, so as far as finding a relief, though, I know stretching sounds like it might be kind of painful, though, too. Are there certain ways that you might need to do that? Because if you're dealing with that area, I mean, I guess pain goes along with it until it gets better.
It's kind of a catch-22. I mean, you have to do it very gently and repeatedly. It takes a very long period of time, but you can eventually stretch out those calf muscles and remove the tension that caused the problem in the first place.
Is it something that eventually we may need surgery for, or? Every
once in a while we do, especially with the spurs on the back of the heel. If those become too painful, there's not a lot we can do because we don't want to inject cortisone around a tendon that can cause a tendon rupture. So we have to be very careful with how we treat it. Sometimes immobilization is necessary for a period of time to calm down that inflammation. Oral anti-inflammatories that you can take, like Aleve or ibuprofen, can help. But really, therapy is the mainstay of treatment for this problem.
So therapy is key, which I know is, of course, where you guys can also help. Why is recovery better in the comfort of your own home, Joanne?
I think recovery is easier in the comfort of your own home. One, because you're in your own environment, so you're just much more comfortable in general. The chances for other things happening to you probably go down much more. But really, if you're homebound and you're not able to leave your home is really when we are the most helpful.
Yeah, absolutely. It seems like obviously so much more comfortable in your own home there. And you guys are at such great service. You help with the recovery time. You've got great staff, and you work with obviously exceptional doctors. So if anyone wants to learn more about your services, would you send them to the website? Is that always the best resource?
The website, and ask your doctor to refer you to Home Rehab Express for home health care.
Okay. Thank you both so much. So great to have you back. And if you'd like more information, head to our website, fox4morningblend.com. Buckle up. Coming up next, we have your chance to win tickets to one of racing's biggest weekends. Details are just around the corner. Stay with us.